What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2015 Honda CBR500R. This bike is basically stock, except it does have a Kaufman's exhaust on it. Checking out the rear fender. This is all in really good shape, actually. This has got Kaufman exhaust on it. The tank's in good shape. The plastics are all in great shape. Bar ends, lever ends. Does not look like it's been down. Usually it has this casing here will be scratched up, as well as the bar ends, the lever ends, maybe some exhaust will have scratch on it. Mirrors don't have scratches on it. Front fender's in really good shape. There's like a hairline scratch down the front fender, if you can see that. Kind of in the right light, you can see it. Probably because it's black and it just shows dirt a little bit worse. Same on this side, it's all pretty clean, guys. It's a really nice bike. Tire tread is great on front and back. Seats are in good shape. Top of the tank's in great shape. It's only got 2,162 miles on it. Fires up right away. Sounds good, guys. Like I said, 2015 Honda CBR500R. This bike's not going to last long. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike, as well as subscribe to the channel, as well as check out Bikes and Beards and Srkcycles on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.